Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody really knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं that this battle is not easy. ठीक होने के बाद भी breathlessness and fatigue जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमें रिकवर नहीं होने देती. After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. ईजी, स्लो एंड कंट्रोल बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. सो गाइज, रोज़ की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है फ्रंट लिफ्ट्स टू चेस्ट ओपनर्स. ब्रीथ इन एज यू लिफ्ट अप, ओपन द चेस्ट एंड ब्रीथ आउट एज यू ड्रॉप डाउन. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 रेपिटेशंस. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is downward chest fly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Keep your elbows stable and let's finish 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our upward shoulder stretch. Breathe in as you lift up, joining your palms together. Breathe out as you bring down. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is our wrist rotations. Stretch your arms out in front of you and start making big circles, keeping your fists closed. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few neck stretches. Let's start with neck left to right. And relax. Up next, guys, head tilts. Relax. Next up, head nods. Try to synchronize your breathing. As you lift your chin up, you breathe in. As you drop your chin down, you breathe out. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our shoulder stretch. Interlock your hands, deep breath in. As you stretch them all the way back, breathe out and relax. Breathe out, 8 repetitions again. Relax. Up next is, guys, good mornings. So start with hands in front of you and back straight. Take a deep breath in. Keeping your back straight, breathe out as you lower your torso down, extending your arms in the back. Breathe in again and out. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is double knee tucks. Get onto your toes, hold the bench or the chair for support, and tuck both the knees in toward the chest. Try to keep your back as straight as you can. And relax. Up next, guys, is double knee extensions. Same position, back straight, onto your toes, extend your knees and legs straight out and back. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is wide angle calf lifts. So open your knees, your toes pointed out, balance your hands onto your knees, lift your ankle up and down. Lift the heel, breathe in, breathe out as you drop down. Relax. Finally, guys, toe pull-ins to extensions. Lift both your legs up, pull both the toes in and out. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है उत्कट आसन, also known as the chair pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. So go ahead and stand comfortably. with your feet as wide as your shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Hinge at the hip, lowering your hip down but keeping your knees stable, and at the same time lift your arms up. Make sure that your knees do not travel forward. Hip as low as you can. Torso leaning forward, arms overhead, and hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है परिगण आसन, also known as the gate pose. इसे हम करेंगे in the kneeling position. Keep your knees slightly wide. Extend your left leg out onto the side. Holding your knee and fall down on that side, stretching your waist. Come back. Let's repeat the gate pose on the other side. Stretching your right leg out, making sure your knee is locked. Bringing the right hand onto the right knee and up. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है मत्स्य आसन और the cross-legged fish pose. इसे हम करेंगे seated position में. So start by crossing your legs together. Make sure that you're nice and comfortable. Hands in the back, bringing the elbows down, and lift your head up, bringing the top of the head down to touch the ground. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. Finally guys, आज का हमारा last आसन है कपोट आसन, also known as the pigeon pose. Start by bending your left knee in and right leg straight back. Use your hands to balance your body and look straight up, holding the asan for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. Repeating on the other side, bending your right leg in, left goes all the way back, using your hands to balance your body and hold. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स. I hope you enjoyed them. अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises, starting with a Bhramari pranayam, also known as bee's breath. इसके लिए start with keeping your index fingers onto your forehead, 3 fingers to close your eyelids, and use your thumbs to close your ears. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose with an M sound. Do it for 2 to 4 minutes. Well done guys. आज की हमारी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. So इसे alternate breathing भी कहते हैं. Start with your right hand thumb and block your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Use 2 fingers to block the left nostril. Breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Out through the left. In through the left, out through the right. You can repeat it for 2 to 4 minutes. Relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed them. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So do take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.